Welcome back to video number 3. This is all about setting up the Google Sheet to collect data. And so we've already done a couple things. So our first video is we added the Google Drive folder for the student for their IEP goals. The second video is we set up this data tracking guide, as you can see on the screen here. So we just called it last name and then data tracking guide. Now what we're going to do is set up that Google Sheet for data collection. And so we're going to click on the new button and we're going to click on Google Sheets. And when we do this, we have this lovely Google Sheet here. And this video is going to be super simple because all we are going to do is name the Google Sheet. It's going to be intense. Wait for it. My computer's still working, waiting for the internet to load. It's thinking. There we go. So all I'm going to do is click at the top to rename it, and I'm going to call this test student, and we're going to call this goal tracking data. And I press enter to save. It says my last edit was seconds ago, and so our Google Sheet is all set, ready to collect all of the data that we have going on here. So in the next video, what we're going to do is we're going to take those IEP goals and we're going to create individual Google Forms for each one.